Question 2 is fun. It's 4 marks, and the first part asks you to draw straight lines with these equations. So the first one is y equals 2. And it's a line, it's not a point, guys. Where is y equals 2? Y equals 2 is here. Well, this is a point, it's not a line. Oh, what's y equals here? It's 2. This is y equals 2. This y equals 2. So y equals 2 is this nice line here. We did it. This is y equals 2. This is important. It's nice. Now let's look at the next part. X equals 6. X equals 6 is here, isn't it? Let's just do it in a different color. X equals 6 here. Here, x equals 6. Here, x equals 6. X equals 6. So equals 6 is a line, a vertical line. From now on, in the next exams, when they tell you y equals a number, it's a horizontal line. X equal a number, it's a vertical line. Now, how do we graph y equals x plus 1? Let me first write it down next to the grid. Y equals x plus 1. We graph this by using the slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus c, right? C is the y-intercept. C is where the line crosses the y, so it's 1. So we know we have 1 point here at y equals 1. And then m is the slope. Now, m is what comes before x. Here, in front of x, there is 1, right? So it's 1 over 1. So from this point, we rise 1, and we run 1. So it's another point. This is nice line. You can do it again. So rise 1 and run 1. You got another point. Rise 1, run 1. So this is a nice line. Let's do it. I'm trying my best to make it a nice line. Oh, this looks okay. Oh, goodness. Anyway, you understand, right? Now, let's repeat this part here. This is the first part. We got it. This is 3 marks. Can you imagine? Now, let's look at the next part. They said shade x is more than or equals to 2. I mean, y is more than or equals to 2. So we have y equals 2 here. More than or equals to 2 is more than 2. It's up here. This is more than or equals to 2. Everything here. Now, x is less than or equals to 6. X is less than or equals to 6. Where is x equals 6? It's the red line. So x is less than 6 is here. These in yellow. Okay. And the last part is y is less than or equal to x plus 1. The blue line is y equals x plus 1. So less than the line, it's down here. Less than it, it's down here. But what's the solution then? The solution is where the 3 intersect. The 3 of them intersect here, right? So this is what we should check. Just this part. And that's your answer. Let's delete any other information. I'll redo this nice line here. So that's our solution. This shaded area. So this is the answer. And now how many marks is this? This is 4 marks. So what's the key to solve this? The key is to not panic. Now, let's go to the next question. Oh, a plain text. All right, that's a nice question. So let's do it.